Thank you for, joining us. To my, left is Carolyn, Kennedy. I am, Barack Obama. Tonight, Ms. Kennedy, and, I will be, discussing, the importance of clear communication, when speaking, to the, media and in public.
Thank you, Mr. President. I am, glad to, be here. Do I, genuflect now, or, later?
That's not needed, so let me tick these off, So the issue is not a perception that, I'm God, let me put it this way, we're trying to, we've got a bipartisan group here, and,
know how important it is to, to be my own person. And, and that would be obviously true with my efforts, you're making me really, really wet down there, the one. You are the Obama Messiah, aren't you? Oh God, I'm getting, so turned on. I think I am going, going to, pass out.
Speaking of a God complex, so, I really don't have much of one. So.
Yeah, that's right. I think my Pampy shield just failed. God. I love you, man.
So let me get this, so the issue is not a perception that I am God, or, is it, let me put it this way. So we're trying to, we've got, correct?
Yes. Exactly. You are dead on, Mr. President.
So, so the point is, we have, let me put it this way. We've, and that's my point.
Sir, you have never been more clear. Would you, mind if I got on my knees under this desk to, worship you, after the show?
That's a bunch. So let me tick these off, So the issue is not a perception that, let me put it this way, we're trying to, thank you for being, here tonight, Ms. Kennedy. What I, am trying to say, is that, this, has been very enlightening. And, yes, I'd love for you to get under the, desk to worship me.
For sure. Thanks, for, for having me on. Now, I'm going to have you.
Good night. So, let me put it this way, I'm Barack Obama, and,
I'm a horny Carolyn Kennedy. Good night.